In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to copy a Zoom invite and send it, plus the easiest calendar-based method if you scheduled through Google Calendar or Outlook. First, open your browser, go to the Zoom website, and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left sidebar, click Meetings. This takes you to your list of scheduled meetings. Find the meeting you want to invite someone to and click it to open the details page. Here, look for the Copy Invitation button. Click it, then choose Copy Meeting Invitation. That action places the full invitation text onto your clipboard. The copied text includes the meeting link, the meeting ID and passcode, and dial-in numbers for people who prefer to join by phone. Keeping the full block intact is useful because it covers all the ways your participant might want to join. Next, open your email or your preferred messaging app. Start a new message, paste the invitation using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac, and send it to your participant or group. Before sending, it's a good idea to double check the date, time, and time zone in the message body so there's no confusion. If you're emailing a larger group, consider protecting privacy by placing addresses in BCC. You can also add a brief note above the pasted details, such as the agenda or any special instructions, while leaving the Zoom information unchanged so the link and passcode remain easy to find. If you scheduled the meeting using Google Calendar or Outlook, there's an even simpler approach. Open the calendar event for that Zoom meeting. If you don't see the guest list right away, click the pencil icon to edit the event. In the guests or attendees field, type the email address of the person you want to invite, then save the event and confirm that you want to send updates. The calendar will automatically email the invitation, including the Zoom link, to the new attendee. This method also keeps the invite list in one place and ensures everyone receives any future updates or time changes. To recap, you can either copy the invitation from Zoom and paste it into an email or message, or if the meeting lives on your calendar, add the person as a guest and let the calendar send the invite for you. Choose the method that matches how you scheduled the meeting, and you'll be ready to share your Zoom details quickly and confidently.